What is going on, guys? It is your boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Secrets. Welcome to another video, guys. I've not uploaded in this channel in like literally forever. Jesus Christ. But the last time I uploaded, I think it's been over a year, probably more. But one of my most viewed videos on this channel is actually it's actually a car video, which is a GTI video, which me and my friend actually tried to install a downpipe on it. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure to check it out. But today we're actually going to do another GTI video, which I'm excited for. Kind of, it is very cold outside. I think it's like 10 degrees outside, so it's going to be freezing. But today is the day after Christmas, and my boy for Christmas got a car part, which, as you can tell from the title of the video, is an intake, a cold air intake to install in his GTI. So he asked me to help him again, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some tools, get ready, and head to his way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, we're just gonna be installing the intake in his GTI, so let's get it. This dog is so lazy, bro. I think my dog is broken or something. Damn, this thing's so heavy. Alright, so just got all the tools that we need. Fucking out of breath. I've been sick for the last week, so you know when you're sick you get tired really easily. I just got the tools, guys. By the way, I haven't uploaded any car content, but I still do have my car, which is right there. Bad thing is that the motor blew up on it, so technically I have a car, but in reality I don't. But alright, I'm gonna let the car warm up, and I will be on my way to Kevin's house to install this goddamn intake. So let's go. There she is, in all her gloriness and dirtiness, the GTI. So this is what will be coming out. The intake, the stock intake. From taking this whole thing out, and we are replacing it with the CTS turbo air intake system. So we'll be doing that. Now it's only fair to film the GTI's process. First the downpipe, now the intake. A year later. You have no, not that one, Kevin. You have to use this one. Yeah. But I told you, you can loosen it up, but you have to take that one off first.
I don't want to break it.
You're not gonna break it. That's what it's meant. It's just cold, so it's a little stiff. Alright, so we took this part off, which is this part. It's pretty easy. You just has two clamps. One is this, and the other one is kind of like a screw. Alright, so we finally took the little box off. So after you take the little hose that goes here, you should be able to just pull the rest out. So now we're gonna get the aftermarket intake, and we'll be fixing.
So I already
put that apart.
Put apart, yeah.
Okay. So this goes first, right?
Some screws. This goes like no one explains this. I saw these and I was like, what the heck? But it's just like you throw it on. These are the grommets. There's 3 grommets. So 1, 2, 3. So these is where this goes.
Okay,
right? Like that. Right. But we want to put it in that first.
The hose first?
Yeah, this, because nothing's gonna be in the way once we have that in.
Alright, cool.
So this.
And you have zip ties too. These are the clamps.
Yeah. I think this one goes with this one right here.
Yeah.
And then this one.
This one is for the intake. For the bottom of that piece. Well, you do have 3, so you're fine. Oh, 2. Okay.
This would slide in.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to unscrew it. You just loosen it and then put it back on.
And this is for this right here.
Oh, for the hose. Gotcha.
So right. It would be like swing, and then you throw another clamp on.
2. All right. So we're almost done. The hardest thing I think was putting on this little plastic cover. There's some clips that you have to hook them in, and we're just struggling with that. But that's pretty much it. So now we just added everything, put the clamps up, There's two on that side. One with the intake that clamps up with the pipe. And that's pretty much it. And then you put the baby tumor, as I like to call it, which is this, on, and then we should be done. But I think the hardest part is already done. We're just tying everything up. Add this. That's it. They do come with zip locks, but he didn't really want to use them. You don't really have to use them. They're just to kind of get the wires out the way, but we were able to do that pretty easy ourselves.
I think I can go with something tighter. Wait a minute. There's no hole for it. There should be a hole right here.
Really?
Yeah. What's this?
I guess that's what the hole's for. Yeah. Sir! The hand. Damn, that sounds clean. Test it out. The window down so we can hear this. That sounds good. It sounds way different, right?
Right?
I hope the camera can pick it up, because I know the wind is pretty. Did it feel any different? Can you tell the difference? It's not tuned, so you're not gonna feel that much different.
Not really. I mean, maybe. I don't know. It's like a.
Yeah, it sounds. Yeah. Damn, now that it's warmed up a little bit more, it makes a different sound. Damn. That's big. Now you just gotta get this fixed.
Yeah, I already got it, like insurance-wise. They have the money, but they haven't called me for a while.
Why don't you get a carbon fiber hood? Alright guys, I am back home. Honestly guys, it was a pretty easy thing to do. If me and Kevin can do it, you guys can definitely do it. Some of us actually don't even know what we're doing, so if we can do it, you guys can definitely do it. We actually don't work on cars, so it was pretty easy for us to go ahead and follow through. Again, it's pretty simple. You take out the hose, there's 2 clamps on it. You take out the stock box, and then you do the same process, aftermarket, parts in, hose, and then intake. So it was pretty simple. The only complicated part that we kind of like messed up in was the box. His box was really weird. And then first of all, it didn't have a hole for the mini tumor that I told you guys about. It didn't have a hole for that. And then the clips where you clip it in the car weren't actually lining up, so we weren't able to push them all the way in. But that's pretty much it where we messed up, I guess you can say. But other than that, it took about an hour. You guys can probably do it in less. Me and him just struggled a little bit on that clipping thing, but again, pretty simple. It was pretty nice to do. More car content hopefully coming soon. That's why I like Kevin, just because he's actually one of my friends, my only friend that's into cars and actually does stuff to his car. So it's pretty cool, you know. I don't mind helping him at all. I don't mind, you know, documenting the process of the car. Even though it did take another year for him to get at least the intake, he still got it, so that's pretty cool. And guys, I actually started another channel, which is pretty weird. I know it's really relevant, but I actually started another channel where I do shrooms. So I filmed a video of me doing shrooms for my birthday, and it went pretty fucking cool. So I'll put the link down below so you guys can watch me trip on my birthday. It was fun. I had a lot of fun filming and editing that video. So yeah, go ahead and check it out. If you guys have any questions, any recommendations for Kevin to do to his car, any questions about the intake, feel free to leave them down below. I try to answer to my best of my ability. But again, guys, my car knowledge is not the best at all. Me and him didn't know what we were doing, but we were still able to do it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Boy Fatboy, aka Fatboy Sneakers, is out. It was nice seeing you guys again. It's nice uploading a video once again. So yeah, peace.